Hello class, today we are going to do chapter article. In that I am going to tell you the uses of a, and the. Okay, so let's proceed. Now class, we will do lesson number 5, articles. What are articles? Articles are a, and the. Okay, a and an are indefinite article. Why a and an are indefinite article? Because they do not point to a specific thing or a specific person. Okay, they are used before a singular noun. Means whenever you will use a and an, that means it's a single person or a single thing. For example, a and an I have written over here. See class, one more thing, a is used before consonants and an is used before the vowels. We know vowels are a, e, I, o, u. We have done this earlier also. A, E, I, O, U. These are our vowels. And what are consonants? Consonants are all the letters except for A, E, I, O, U. Okay. So class, I have given an example. Now here I have written a bat. Now B is what? B is a consonant letter. And B, it's B. Okay. So B is a consonant letter. So before consonant I have written A. A bat means one bat. Okay. A cat. Now here C is again a consonant. So before consonant I have written A. Okay. Then pencil. Pencil. P is also consonant. So before consonant I have written A. Now I'll leave this. Okay. Let's go to the second one. An. So an, I told you that we use an before vowels. Okay. So I have written an egg. Now E, egg is your vowel. So before egg I have written an. Now class, here I have written an R. Now H is a consonant. Okay. H is a consonant. This letter is your consonant. This is not vowel. Right. But why I have written N over here? An over here? So before R I have written an. Okay. Why? Because when we pronounce this word, we do not pronounce it as our. We say it our. So a. So this word here, H is your silent. H is silent. We are not pronouncing this letter H, her. We are pronouncing it O, R. Okay, so A is is your vowels. Whenever you will find the phonetic sound before that we will use an. Okay, so that's why I have written an over here, because our, we are pronouncing this word as R. Okay, we are pronouncing this word as R. So okay, here which sound is coming? So that's why before I have written an. Now class, second example. U, umbrella. So before umbrella, what will come? Letter an. And also U is your vowels. Okay. So this one is easy. An umbrella. This is also, the sound is coming as a. But class, here how do you pronounce this word? Do we say it university? No. We say it university. Okay. Now this U over here is pronounced as Y, not A. Okay, here U is pronounced as Y. So Y, Y. Y is what actually? Y is Y. In phonetics, Y, Y, yak. Okay, so Y is your consonant. This Y sound is your consonant. So before consonant we will write A. Okay, I hope you have understood. Now class, the. First of all, the is a definite article. Means the is used before a specific things. It points out a specific thing or a person. Okay. For example, can you give me an apple? So I am asking for an apple. Now in the next sentence I have written the apple that is on the table. Now why I have written the and not written an over here? See class, I have written the over here because I am talking about a specific apple. I am talking about a particular apple that is on the table. So here I am being specific. That's why I have used the before vowel and I have not used an. And also I'm talking about apple for the second time. Whenever we talk about any person or thing for the second time, at that time we will use the article the. Okay, here I was not specific, so that's why I have written an, but here I am specific. I am particular that I want which apple, the apple which is on the table, so that's why I have written the. So class, now let's see where we can use the article the. Okay, so first of all we can use article the with ordinal numbers. Ordinal number means the number like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like that, and the last. Okay, then we can use the with superlative degree. We have done degree of comparison, in that I told you that wherever there will be article the, with that we will use superlative degree. So here it is vice versa. Okay, wherever you will see the superlative degree, before that you will use article the. Next, names of unique things. Unique things means which is one in the universe or in the world. Okay, like the earth, the sun, and the sky. There is only one earth, there is only one sun, and there is only one sky. Now we can use the with the names of nationality, races and communities. Okay, like the Indians, the Pakistan, the Chinese, and so on. Okay, then next we can use the with the names of countries that indicate the country is made up of many parts. Okay, suppose there is one country and that country is made up of many parts. Okay, with that country we will use article the, like the Netherlands or the USA. Okay, now next, names of mountain ranges and desert. So mountain ranges, you know the names of mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Shivalik. Okay, and desert, the Thar, the Sahara desert. Okay, then we can use the with names of rivers, sea and ocean, like the Ganga, the Brahmaputra, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean. Okay, then the names of important building. We can use the with the names of important buildings, like the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Okay, then we can use the with the names of newspaper and holy books. Newspaper like Times of India, the Times of India, the Economic Times. Okay, and holy books means like the Quran, the Bible, the Gita. Okay, so we can use the with all the things that are listed over here. Class, I hope you have understood what I explained you today. In case of any doubts or any queries, you can mail me. Also, many students, they have not submitted me their homework. Please make sure you have submitted all your assignments.